What's up, y'all? So first off, I want to thank all of y'all for watching us and subscribing, sharing. For those of you that have been sharing, those of you that haven't been sharing, them's over there chiming in. But y'all about to watch.
You did air guns for every single statement you made.
Bing! But y'all are about to watch me make my almost world famous hot sauce. Cause make sure, yeah. So make sure you stay tuned to watch it. Let's go.
Y'all, look at all these birds in my front yard. I am so scared. They're not in anyone else's yard, just a little bit across the street. What is going on? Oh my God, I am so scared. And they keep flying away and coming back. What's in my yard? I am freaking scared. What in the world? Like, look, and now they're all gonna fly away. What is out there? There's a little bit across the street, but they're... What are they doing? This is very scary, y'all. I'm scared of birds. Oh my God, what is going on? What the heck? Where did they come from? What are they doing? Y'all, and like 2 or 3 months ago, I swear, there was like a huge vulture in my backyard. Maybe they're like running from the vulture.
What up, y'all? Got me about to make some of my hot sauce that I make here at the house. Actually, I'm about to bottle it up because I want to give it out to some of my friends, let them taste it and tell me if it's worth me exploring the avenue of creating my own hot sauce for sale. Typically not spicy, not too spicy, I should say. Always has a little bit of flavor. As you can see, I got some habaneros, got a jalapeno, and some regular chili peppers in there. But can't let y'all know all the other stuff that I splash up in there. So now here's the bottles I ordered on Amazon. 2-ounce bottles that I'm gonna give everybody. Comes with labels too, so the label, I'm gonna just leave the labels blank when I give it to them so they can write their own name on what they think I should call it. So, but yeah.
Just right. Woo! Squirted on me.
How is it?
Taste it.
Spicy? Yes, I just licked that hot sauce off his arm.
All right, so I'm about to drop this up in here, y'all. I don't really have a funnel, so I'm using, I don't even know what this is for.
Zucchini spiraler.
Oh, a zucchini spiraler. So, but I'm in. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this, see how this work out. As we can tell, it's already sliding out a little bit, but I can easily clean that up. All right, so they all bottled up now. So for the homies, I'm gonna pass them out when I get to see them next, so they can give me some feedback if they like it, don't like it. I got like 1 or 2 extras, so if you want one, let us know. Drop it in the comments that you want one. Maybe we could get one shipped out to you, possibly. You know, you never know. So actually, I'm gonna drop these stickers on them. You know, gotta get the sticker on there. I'm not gonna name nothing on the stickers, so I'm gonna let them name the hot sauce. So everybody put their own name. So if you're listening, Mike, Eric, Mark, Q, Gabe. Yeah, if y'all listening, make sure when y'all get these, after you sample it and you taste it and you tell me what you think the name should be. So write the name on there.
Y'all drop a name in the comments.
Yeah, y'all could drop a name in the comments too. All right. Peace.
Cruise and we on the move. Subscribe to our YouTube, you know what to do. You find us on the beach or laid out by the pool. And if you do it like we do, then you can't lose. From the Bahamas to Virginia. Now it's time to party with the winner.